Alrighty, CAV, here's your 427 small block Ford. Kind of give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Aviaid pan on it. And you set in the stack system here. So we've got this running. I'll kind of give you a few little tidbits what we have done here. As far as your remote IAC, we just kind of plumbed it in here. I'm sure you're going to do some other things different within the car. As far as your fuel, we basically got in and returned and joined them together, so it's not like a deadhead system for you and stuff. So I'd recommend that. The other kind of issue we had here, as far as syncing and setting your idle adjustment, you see you've got these set screws down here with jam nuts, and let me show you here. Basically, trying to get a wrench down here is virtually impossible. I mean, I had to kind of cut up this wrench, as you can see, and do it, which kind of worked. Their instructions have a Allen head screw with a spring, kind of like a Borla. I would really recommend changing those out to something of that nature. Otherwise, I think you're just going to struggle, especially within the car. But we got it good for now, but I would definitely recommend that in the future. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Already 3,400 or 532 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 564. That's a really good number. That's the tall stack on it. Still runs good upstairs, 546. We rated 520. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. I'll show you a couple things here. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. I don't recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, takes more tech stuff. The only other thing I forgot to mention too is it didn't have enough return spring on it, so I had to put a couple on it just to get it to return good, so you might want to pay attention to that too. So have a great day.